In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trailhead from Salesforce and learn Salesforce for free. Navigating the world of Salesforce can be an exciting adventure, especially when you have a platform like Trailhead to guide you. So, let me walk you through this fantastic resource, which is a completely free online learning platform provided by Salesforce. Trailhead offers an extensive range of modules, projects, and trails designed to help you build Salesforce skills one step at a time. It even provides hands-on challenges within what they call a Trailhead playground, a practice environment that replicates a real Salesforce organization. To get started on this journey, head over to trailhead.salesforce.com. If you're new to Salesforce, you'll need to sign up. You can do this easily with your Salesforce account or your email. It's a straightforward process, and within minutes, you'll unlock a treasure trove of learning materials. Once you're in, take a moment to browse through trails, projects, and modules. Each section offers unique content tailored to various aspects and expert levels of Salesforce knowledge, allowing you to learn at your own pace and focus on what truly interests you. When you're ready to dive deeper, click on any module that piques your interest and hit Start Module. This will guide you through completing the lessons and hands-on challenges. It's a great way to reinforce what you're learning by putting theoretical knowledge into practice immediately. As you complete lessons and challenges, you'll earn points, badges, and even super badges, which are more comprehensive exercises. Each accomplishment adds to your profile, highlighting your growing expertise in Salesforce. If you're wondering how to keep all this free, it's simple. Engage with the free Trailhead modules that cover a broad range of topics, from admin and developer tracks to marketing and sales. And don't stop at just taking the courses. Use the Trailhead Playground to experiment and practice in a simulated Salesforce environment. This is a safe space to get your hands dirty and solidify your understanding without worrying about making mistakes. Sharing your journey can also amplify your learning, so jump into the Trailblazer community. It's a vibrant space where you can connect with others, gather tips, and even seek mentorship. Engaging actively with a community can provide support and motivation as you progress. Once you're feeling confident and equipped with foundational knowledge, consider advancing towards certification preparation. Certifications can be a game changer for your career, providing a recognized credential that proves your skills and dedication in Salesforce. With these steps, you're on a solid path to mastering Salesforce with the comprehensive, supportive resources of Trailhead. Enjoy the learning journey and embrace the opportunities that come with enhancing your Salesforce skills for free.